We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with a brother, HL-2170W. So there's only a few places that this printer can jam. Anytime I have a jam, I always like to check the tray first because that's usually where it starts. So you want to check your tray. You would see it in the back here. If you do see that, you can just go ahead and gently, slowly pull the paper out. You never want to pull really hard or yank. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to remember not to pull hard or to yank the paper or to go really fast. Another place to check is under your toner and drum. So you would just do that. If it was here, you would see it about right here. Yet again, go ahead and just pull it out gently and slowly. Last but not least, you'll check the back. Pull this down. It should be right there. This one would be pretty easy to get. Pull it up and out. Yet again, gently and slowly. If you guys are getting a lot of paper jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.